Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. In Primetime News this evening, it's not over. Attorney to appeal full court ruling that the 2020 extension of the DPP's tenure was lawful.
Chairman of the PNP's Human Rights Commission, Isaac Buchanan, resigns over controversial statements.
And later, the man who raped and killed a 9-year-old Westmoreland girl has been sentenced to life in prison. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious, and with a preview of what's coming business news, Javon Keys is here.
Well, Janella, a brand new card has hit the market. Scotiabank has partnered with a major American firm to bring a premium credit card. I'll give the details a little later on.
Thank you, Keys. And Jordan Ford is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
More good news for the nation's netballers, Archie, as they continued rolling at the Netball World Cup. But despite their win today, the captain still was not pleased, such as the high standards that they've set. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
Say what?
I know, I watched the match. It was a good match.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we are asking, what are your views on the remarks made by Attorney at Law Isaac Buchanan leveled at DPP Paula Llewellyn?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.